What's going on, guys? Gabe here with Review Dork, and yes, I am a fellow weight. Yes, I want to go to the moon. Yes, I want my tendies. Yes, I want the squeeze to get squoze. And yes, AMC. We're up 15% on the day, currently in consolidation, doing what it's got to do. Everyone's excited. King Kong did its job. We want to go to the moon, right? Okay. Well, for new investors who are just jumping in, we're going to talk about how we got here. We're going to talk about where we're going. We're going to talk about what you should be doing in the meantime. All right, so AMC, wow. Since its high of 2036, well, yeah, it did free fall. We did catch some knives, but we're apes, so we hold. For those of you who are just investing in AMC, or maybe you've been waiting on the sidelines, like, hey, I'm not going to really jump in right now. Let's explain why you did. And so AMC, 2020, COVID happens. We have airline stocks plummet. We have stocks like Uber skyrocket thanks to Uber Eats. We were confined to our homes. We had nowhere to go, nothing to do, and all we could do was eat. I think we all gained some COVID weight. I know I gained some COVID weight. But with that being said, we see Uber stock skyrocket to as high as, I believe, $60, right? And then we got a distressed company here. We got AMC and, well, hedge funds. They started licking their fingers. Like, oh, if we can get this company to go to zero, go bankrupt. If they can get delisted, we make 100% profit. And then our unicorn, the leader of the ape kingdom, Deep Effing Value, just highlighted what was absolutely wrong with the system, right? And so GameStop just shoots up, and AMC, being its baby brother, shoots up with it, getting a high of 2036. So yeah, hedgies made a bad bet, but we've been caught in this war, and I find it really frustrating. You see, I invest in the stock market. I just want to be concerned about two things: price and value. Now, price is psychological. The value of the company. Am I buying it at a discount? That's all we want to do. We just want to buy it at a discount. But with AMC, it becomes very, very complex. You know, we get daily DDs from Wall Street Bets and Wall Street Bet Elites. We have YouTubers that talk about AMC. We hear terms of FTD, FUD, naked shorts, shorting. Oh my, for someone who's new to investing, it's just like, oh my God, that's something I don't want to involve myself in. And so now you're ready to print your tendies. But that's how we got here. Hedge funds wanted to get greedy, take AMC down to zero, and keep all that money. But now we're just mooning, and we're having fun doing so. So, as a newly minted ape, what do? Very, very simple. Just hold. Try to stay away from the media. Try to even ignore the messages you see on platforms such as Webull or StockTwits, because you're going to have your bulls and you're going to have your bears, and you get that FUD, and it just gets so nasty and complex. It makes you anxious. It makes you nervous. You're scratching your head like, okay, I made profit today. Do I hold? Yes. You hold. Holding is one part of it. Now, I go on StockTwits, Webull, you go anywhere, and you're going to hear things like AMC moons, I'm getting a Lambo, I'm buying a house, I'm, whatever. Maybe buying a new wife. Who knows? And mind you, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. When AMC does moon, do you have the financial know-how of what you're dealing with? And so my advice for the newly minted apes who are joining this ride with us, because we're going to the moon, I myself have about 1,800 shares, probably currently valued at $20,000, is make sure you become financially literate, because if you're not, the tax man's going to take 40%. In my case, 1.8 million is going to probably be, who knows, just a little over $1 million after taxes are concerned. Obviously, you can, invest using an IRA. that's another video if you guys would like to get an explanation on how to invest using an IRA. Let me know in the comments below. I really think that now is the time to, learn, increase your financial literacy. Now, for myself, AMC Moons, I'm not going to buy anything. I'm not going to buy a Lambo. I'm probably going to reinvest. I know a lot of you guys know already, I do have a private group, and it's just about 4 or 5 of us. It's myself and some other guys, and they take my alerts. And let me tell you, last month, the market was red. It was bleeding. It looked like a used tampon, yet my alerts outperformed the Dow Jones Industrial by tenfold, little over 61% return. Now, I do nothing special. I'm no guru. I'm not going to claim myself to be a guru. I'm not going to claim myself to be a TA wizard, and I'm not going to chart out charts, etc., etc. No, I'm pretty much based on fundamentals, but what I like to look for is value. And right now, AMC is a value. The media would like us to believe that, AMC is a dead cat, but no, Hollywood does not want AMC to be a dead cat. Movie theaters go down, you destroy all of the distribution pipeline for Hollywood. Can you imagine Tom Cruise making movies for Netflix? Really? And this is the reason why Hollywood pushed back all of their movies. Now, we had some movies release on streaming, and I think that was more of like a sympathy play from the studios, because they're not really making money releasing these movies on the streaming platform. Now, Godzilla vs. King Kong. Yes, I did go to the theater to watch it, but yes, I also watched it like 2 additional times on HBO Max. It was a great movie. But where I'm going with this is, while AMC is doing its thing, seriously consider improving your financial literacy. Now, going back to my group, and again, if you gave me $1 million and I had a chance to take that $1 million and add an additional $600,000 to that $1 million, well, then guess what? I've increased my net worth. And that's what I think is really important right now. We are in some very, very unique times in history where kids in their 20s, hardworking, middle class, blue collar individuals can now experience a life of financial freedom, right? It's possible. It's highly possible. AMC 1000, AMC 2000, 3000, 10,000. It is not a meme. However, you can blow that money very easily. Just ask any professional athlete while you're holding and while AMC is mooning, whether it happens in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Improve your financial literacy. That is the most important thing. You make $1 million and then you're able to make an additional 600,000. Guess what? Now you've created generational wealth. Allow yourself to create those multiple streams of income, and that's what makes investing so lucrative. It makes my gears grind when people treat the stock market like the lottery or a casino. Long-term investments would probably include the likes of Tesla, even Volkswagen as an EV play. There's tons of opportunities out there that even if you garnered a 10% return per month, it would take you 7 to 8 months to double your money. So now, from $1 million, you made $2 million. Now go buy your Lambo, go get yourself the hottest hooker in town, buy yourself a new wife. But investing is simply this. You buy low, you sell high, and you reinvest your returns so you have yourself a sizable nest egg, because that Lambo is going to go from $250 to $125 in a little less than 6 months. But if you got kiddos, if you got family, if you got, you just want to take care of your mama, with great power comes great responsibility. I heard that in the Spider-Man movie. You gorillas, get your tendies. Respect your tendies. Don't waste your tendies, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to get these tendies. This is Gabe with Review Dork. Invest responsibly, gamble responsibly. I'm signing out. Peace.